live stream. So today we are trading the London session. It's a little bit early for me and I'm fasting, so maybe I'll be a little bit slow, but never mind, let's get into it. Um, what's happening here with my internet connection? Okay, so let's start with the top-down analysis and then we'll get to the trade ideas. Alright, so as we can see here on the daily, we moved extremely bullish. So this was a huge move actually. It's because of news, as you can see here, that Trump considered target Iran. Yep, so it's because of that gold is moving up, although there is a bank holiday today. Okay, that's not good actually. We have a Japanese and a Chinese bank holidays, so maybe there will be not much volume as usual. So let's remove this from the previous day. So we can see here that gold has been moving bullish for the past 1, 2, 3 weeks. For the past 3 weeks, this new weekly candle opened without a bottom wick, so there could be a chance that it will go and create a bottom wick. Give me a second. Alright guys, so let's get back to it. As we can see, we're moving here for the past 3 weeks bullish. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. We can see that there was a breakout that happened right here. Breakout on the daily time frame, and we are anticipating to have a retest either from this area right here or to this area right here to create support and keep going up, or it can just keep moving to the upside because there is a clean range till 5383. But I believe gold should retest from this area. We'll have a retest right about here. Retest to this area, and then we'll keep moving up. Let me draw an arrow. Yep, like this. Retest this area and move up. This is the likely scenario, or come back, break below and keep moving down. This is the bearish scenario and that's the bullish scenario, as you can see here. That's on the 4 hour time frame. Let's check out on the 1 hour. So you can see now on the 1 hour time frame that it's we created the kinda support over here. We have support and resistance over here and over there on the 1 hour. To the left hand side, yep, this was like a resistance area previously, so it's kinda strong support area now. It's confirmed because price respected this area in the past. That means it's a uh, much better support and resistance area. So we can see here on the 30-minute time frame that let's check this range. How? Okay, so this is 134 pip range we have here. So I believe we can take this range on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute closed bullish. Next one looks like it wants to move to the top of the range, but the volume is pretty much low. So we have a 15-minute candle closure in about 2 minutes. In about 2 minutes we'll have a 15-minute candle closure. So if this 15-minute candle closed above this area right here, I believe we can take buy, sorry. Yeah, but the only thing that I'm worrying about is that there is no volume at the moment. That's the only issue, is that there is no volume, as you can see. So there is a high probability that this price will close above, and then we will take a trade to the upside, buys. But as we can see on the 30-minute time frame, it created a really weak support candle, this candle right here. So let's see. If you guys have any question, you can ask in the chat, and I will be more than glad to answer them. Current and above. Current and above. Alright. So what you can see on the 4 hour time frame, okay, it created a little bit bottom wick, but there is no top wick for the 1 hour for the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. So 15-minute candle close below the range. So I don't think we can take any buys here. We are probably waiting for the sells. Yeah, I believe sells will be much better. Because it looks like price is rejecting that area. So last time we moved, we couldn't break above, so there is a little bit change of characteristics. So let's say this was the last move up, it went here. So price come from this uh, resistance area and moved up, boom boom, created higher highs, then it couldn't break, created a lower high, and now I believe it's trying to create even lower high like this. Let's draw it again. Higher high, lower high, and then it looks like it wants to move to the downside, creating now equal lows. Now let's remove it to blue. Yep, this is currently what price is doing, and we'll be entering on the break of this this area right here, but the volume is dead, guys. It's a really dead volume. Because you can see that it's a Chinese and Japanese bank holiday. So let's just wait and see. Let's just wait, be patient, and follow our plan. Yep, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's a cloudy weather outside. Not very, not very energetic. Yup. So, as you can see here now, we are creating a support on the 30-minute time frame, and but the 1 hour is still like not confirmed yet. So I believe it's much better to wait for the 1 hour closure. If it was bullish, it will come with the London Open, Prelondon Open, and yeah, it will be much better if this candle closed above this line, and that's mean we have a strong confirmation on the 1 hour time frame, and we'll have also strong confirmation on the 30-minute time frame. Yep, and then we can take the trade from there or here, either up or down. So price moves in binary direction, either up or down. There is no, and also sometimes consolidate, but it eventually will break out and go to the side that it wants to. So I actually had the journal right here, but I wanted to create a stream journal, so it will be only for the stream trades. Mm. Yep, I think it's much better to wait either for 30-minute candle closure or even the 1 hour candle closure. Like this one. Yep, just waiting for buys. It's actually, so now the easy part is done. Now it's the difficult part, is to wait. Just wait for our setup and not deviate from it. Oh, we just have to wait and be patient, guys. Mm, so what else is there? New tariffs, it take a few hours. Yup, that's also a second reason why gold is moving up. Yes. Okay, so I hope they talk and get to an agreement, because this does not look good. I believe gold will be going to the all-time high soon. If like there is uncertainty and there is wars around the world, gold will keep moving to the upside. So you can see here that this candle tried to break above the previous candle, but it couldn't. So if this candle can close bearish in our favor below this area, oh, it's gonna be a really nice impulse entry. Yep, it's gonna be a great impulse entry, guys, if it could close below this line right here, this line. So it will follow our plan, what we just wrote here. So this is actually this price movement on the 15-minute time frame. This is just this, look, it's exactly a copy paste. This is how price is moving. So if it closed below this 15-minute candle, closed below, I believe we will be going for sells. Sells. Below, let's put it on red color and put it down, top, bottom. Yep, sells below and buys off. So easy, so simple. No need to complicate stuff. It's just now all about waiting for our plan, waiting for our setup, and that's all. Being patient is the most important thing in trading, and also your psychology. You have to manage your psychology really well to be patient. Also, you should have a good risk management. Man, if you just have a good risk management without anything else, I believe you can survive in this market. But when you have all of these together, you have a higher chance of being a consistently profitable trader. If you combine all of these: risk management, trading psychology, and I think that's all what you need. Yeah, you should have a good strategy, definitely, but there is a lot of good profitable strategy. Like, we are using one of the simplest strategies in the world. It's just basically buying of support and selling of resistance. Yep. So, and it have actually a higher win rate. So when I checked last time, I had like 85 or 80% win rate, which is incredibly high. This is a really high win rate. So look, guys, this candle is moving now to the downside. We just need a closure below. a closure below, and we are going to enter cells. If you got a nice closure below this line right here, let me adjust it a little bit. Yup. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the chat, and I would be more than happy to answer them. Yep, this candle like this. I can't fit it. Okay. So all what we need to see is a candle like this, and then we are just gonna enter the trade without even a second thought. Yep, candle closed like this. Duplicate, clone. A candle that is closed like this exactly, guys, and we can enter the cell easily. Yes, Alex, I am actually profitable, but not consistently profitable. Yeah, I had some big profits and I lost some money, but now I'm trying to achieve consistency. Consistency is what I'm trying to achieve now. I've been profitable for a long time, but yeah, it's been up and down since. I think there's something happened with my camera. Mm, let me try and restart it. I don't know what happened with it, but if that's it, so maybe no need for the camera. Text, yup, I think that's perfect. Oh, we will both achieve consistency, brother. Yes, Alex, definitely, for sure. We can achieve consistency, but it just needs a lot of patience. Yeah, I think. Oh, look, so we got a closure below this area, but it's a really bad closure, guys. It's a really, really bad closure. What we was anticipating happened, but it's a really bad closure because does anyone know why is it a bad closure? Why we shouldn't enter this trade? Does anyone know? Let me know in the chats. Let me know. It's a bad closure, guys. We cannot take this sell. Yes, brother, we can achieve consistency pretty much easily. We just have to be patient, and for our plan, 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all it takes. 1 to 2 trades a day. So I've been actually trading for almost 5 years now, and 1 to 2 trades a day is it's really like it's a really big thing, man. Yes, exactly. There is no bottom week. That's why we cannot enter this trade. Good job, Alex. I believe you are a really smart individual because it can just move all the way up and stop us. That's a really good thinking, Alex. So, how long have you been trading for? could also move to the downside, but it's not part of my plan. I don't take trades without a wick because it's really dangerous, guys. It's really dangerous to take trades without a bottom wick. So that's why. So it's better to wait for oh, it's back. So it's much better to wait for a bottom wick or even a impulse candle. You know what impulse candle looks like? Impulse candle, guys. We need to wait for an impulse candle which looks like this. Let me show you. Should be like this, longer wick. It actually should be green. Yep, all the way green, like this, with a little wick to the bottom side. Very, very little to no wick. Let me let me draw it. Clone. Yep, I think this candle is going to close for us like this. If it closes, that will be perfect, guys, and we can enter the trade without even a second thought. Look, that's what we are waiting for. Let me actually, this candle is a little bit big, so it should be like this size. This size. So if we saw this candle, we can enter without hesitation, without second thought, without anything. We will just enter the trade with a good risk management and without any emotions, without any feelings, because emotions in trading is the biggest enemy. It's our biggest enemy. Our emotion is what ruins us. It what causes us to lose our trades and become emotional and blow our accounts. So yeah, you should just be a little bit more patient, guys. That's all it needs. Patience, patience, and patience. So as we can see, yep, we got a nice closure on the 30-minute time frame. It looks like it want to keep moving to the downside. Keep moving to the downside. Is there any interesting news? Any interesting? So this is the newest. Trump consider target against Iran. Well, that's not good for the sales, guys. This is mostly bullish, so it's good for the buys. So we have to wait for extra confirmation before we enter any risky trades. Yes, brother, I do trade price action. I do trade price action. So we can do cells below. That's all. Horizontal ray from here. Entry. Actually, buys above will is not bad at all. We can enter buys above. Let me take a picture of this. Because it looks really nice. Yeah. Mm-mm. So if anyone have any question, you can just leave it in the comments below, and I'm sure we can answer it. Do you trade prop form? Yes, bro. I'm actually planning to trade prop forms soon, and I will be live streaming my prop forms accounts. So currently I have some work besides trading. That's why I'm not fully focused. But soon I will be trading prop forms full time, and I will be live streaming my journey from 5k accounts till 100k accounts, and we'll be live streaming all of that, and we'll be making crazy profits, and I will help a lot of people to achieve profitability so we can grow together and make a lot of money together. That's my goal. That's why I made this channel. Yep, that's why I'm here. So we have 5 minutes left, guys. Almost 6 minutes left. Let's wait for this candle closure. Just 6 minutes left. Yes, bro. Yes, I know it's nice. You are actually my top fan. For now, you are the only one watching. So I'm sure I want to see you like in maybe 3 to 6 months. How will be your journey, your achievement? I'm sure you will come back in 6 months time or a year, and you'll tell me I achieved profitability. I make like 100k per month consistently. Yep, that's what matters. Consistently making 100k per month. And I'm sure anyone can do it. If they can do it, we can do it. If any human being can make 100k per month, we also can do it. It's not hard, it's pretty much achievable. So my father used to tell me, if they have a hand, you also have a hand. They have a head and you also have a head, so they are not better than you. It's all about just locking in, putting in the work, and executing. Execution is the most important aspect for trading. Okay, I believe this is gonna be an amazing trade, guys. Just 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for sells. 4 minutes. So if this candle closed like this, created look, if this candle closed like this, created a top wick, I mean next 15-minute candle, created the top wick, and then we will enter on the break of the low. Entry will be on the break of the low, unless it just dump right now. I am profitable, had a good payouts, but not very consistent. That's it. Yeah, if a person can do it, we can also do it. Yes, man, 100%, Alex. That's what I'm telling you. So actually, profitability is not that hard. You can just you can be profitable by luck, but the thing is I'm trying to achieve is consistently. The consistency is the hardest part. which is making payouts like every week or every month, day in, day out. Not just make a big payout one month and then you blow your accounts and you don't make for next month. So yeah, that's my goal, is to be consistent. I achieved profitability long time ago, but my goal now is just to be consistent. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so it looks like we are gonna get a fake out here, and price will close above. So we still have a chance that if price closed above this area, we can take really nice buys. Sorry about this. I believe they are doing construction above me. So just never mind the noise, and we have to be focused, locked in. This candle doesn't look good at all, guys. Yep, it doesn't look good at all. Yep. So actually, consistency in trading, it comes from many things. You have to set up a routine outside your trading. So your day should be routinic. Like for example, you wake up, you brush your teeth, you go to the gym or whatever. You just wake up, meditate, do something that's good for you. But yeah, so you can do it for a day or two, even a week, but then you will just slowly debriviate. You will just stop doing it. And you need a really strong discipline and, yeah, willpower. You need a really strong willpower. Look at gold going. So there was someone who's saying it's not good for cells, it's not fundamentals. Oh man, everyone can say, but no one puts their money where their mouth is. Okay, guys, so we got a closure now, but I don't believe we can take a sell at all. It's not a good idea because it's overextended now. Look, our stop loss gonna be like 85, 84 pips, which is not a good idea at all. So yeah, I believe it's better to wait for another setup, maybe 1 hour closure. Yep, 1 hour closure, but it should be below this area right here. We have to wait. Still sells below, but I don't think we are looking for buys anymore. So this can actually uh, retest this area, create a resistance, and then keep moving to the downside. We can also anticipate that like this, boom, and then boom. Oh man, that's a lot of noise. Let me lower it a little bit. Oh, my camera stopped again. Yep. So let's just focus on the stream. No need to focus on the camera. Focus on our trading, lock in, and follow our plan. believe that we will get a lot of volume on in London Open. London Open is about like an hour, I think. Yup, it's 1 hour away. So look, all this session now, like you can see here that we have uh, Japanese and Chinese holidays. That mean it's actually not a volume time because Japan exchange is closed and Shanghai is closed, or Hong Kong, I believe. So they have a bank holidays. So it's better to wait for London Open where we will find a lot of volume. It's gonna be in 1 hour my time, around 1 hour my time. But if you can see a really good setup here, price created a resistance and then kept moving to the downside. I believe it will be really, really good trade to take. Yep, looks like a good setup. Okay, so we can see a little bit of volume. We are getting some kind of volume, guys, because this 15-minute candle was about 100 pips. Look at that. Previous one also was 100 pips. So yeah, we are anticipating sells, and let's see how will this play out. So we have around 7 minutes left for candle to close, and I believe we need a retest for sure, or cells will be below this area. But it's kinda overextended, guys, so I don't think we are looking for cells anymore. Yep, it's more than half of the range moved already. Right here. So there is a strong support right here on the 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So we cannot take any cells now. From here we cannot take any trades actually. We have to wait for a confirmation candle. Whenever we get a confirmation candle, then we can enter the trade, or even wait till London open. Yeah, I believe soon we will get also some volume in 7 minutes, and let's see how can we take it from there. Alright, so it looks like it's bleeding, guys. It's not gonna stop anytime soon. And actually, if it broke below this area, I don't think there will be any trades. So we are not here just to take random trades. We are here to follow our plans and our plan and risk management, and to achieve profitability, consistent profitability in the market. So anything else is relative to our success. That's what we should do. So maybe it can tap this area, retest and go down. We don't know yet. Let's wait and see. All right, so we have 1 hour candle closure in about a minute and 30 seconds. But to be honest, the does not look like there is any good trades happening soon. That doesn't look like it at all. If we got a closure here, I don't think it's a good idea to take sells. So maybe it will be like this. Yep, it's really not a good idea to take sells from there because we are extremely bullish on the 4 hour. Mm, but there is an idea that this candle can create a bottom wick for this previous 4 hour. Oh, this 4 hour is gonna close in 40 seconds too. Oh guys, that's really interesting now. It's getting interesting. It's getting really interesting. So maybe if the 1 hour candle, it can break below, create a really healthy top wick, and then break back again to the downside, then there is a chance that I don't think there is a chance to take sells. Not convinced with the sells here right now, right here. Yeah, this candle looks very ugly, guys. It's a very ugly candle. So I think that's it for me today. I'm not gonna take any trades at the moment because it does not look good. I'm gonna wait maybe for New York because I have something to do now. And yeah, just be careful because this 4 hour candle without a top wick, previous one and without the previous one without bottom wick, this one without top wick, it's pretty confusing. So I believe the only good idea is buys above. If we can create a support on the 15-minute, you can just take buys above closure above here. Buys above closure. Yep. You can take buys above closure, guys. If it created a support from this area, it's a really strong support area. I think it will not be a bad idea if we take buys above the closure right here. Okay, yep. And I think that's pretty much it for me today, and I got to go now. Have a good day, everyone.